I knew my bearings were getting a little noisy and I could start to see some artifacts in prints. So I thought it was time to do a little PM. I've got some new bearings to install. But what I was most surprised about was that I thought, the noise was coming from the X axis. Pretty noisy. Could use a little grease. I'm going to replace the bearings. You can feel how bad they are. They just don't sound quite as bad. What I didn't realize, and the Z shouldn't have really any load on it, but listen to that. And it's sticking. Those bearings are just, they're freaking junk. Let's see if I can get it to... Alright, just listen. Listen to the audio. Sticking. Horrible. So, anyways, I didn't realize, and I should have done all this when I did the upgrade last year. Was it last year? In January, when I upgraded to the 2.5. But I didn't realize that it was recommended as often as it is, and as it turns out right now, I have almost 870 hours on it. So according to some of the forums I've read, yeah, I'm probably well past when I should have done this. But anyways, just a quick little video update. Having a little fun on rainy Saturday. Thought I would share. Hope you guys are doing well. Later.